Hello all. Today I want to talk about women who are working, women who are into profession. If you have observed nowadays in society, women have now found out how they can be independent, how they can make their own identity, and now have started, to express themselves openly. Initially, women somewhere were having a fear of making her own identity and going out in the world and creating her own mark. But nowadays that's not the case. Every woman inside her heart now is actually seeing her dreams and also converting her dreams into reality. So my friends, what is the purpose of my video today? I want to put forward to all of you this situation now where women are now going into a very transitional phase. Women earlier were living in a very confined space where not all women were getting exposed to the outside world. But nowadays, women who are passionate about their work, and even it's not that if they are passionate about their work, they are not passionate about their family. They are. But now they are going into a very transitional phase where they have to both manage their work as well as their home. Still, the people around them are not comfortable with the idea that they are putting the same amount of hard work outside as their sons or the husbands. They put forward their work at the workplace. So what's the difference? The difference is that, my dear friends, that even if now a woman has started going outside and making her own identity, her own mark, her own financial stability, still people don't want only that from her. She is being constantly expected to come from the work and be there at home, and also do all the household activities, all the whatever the work, household chores, everything is still expected from her, even if putting her 10 hours of hardship into the outside world. Now my question to all is, isn't it the responsibility of everybody to also take the equal responsibility with her? Is her responsibility alone to run the home? No. I think it's a high time for all the people in the society to know that now women and men should be given equal responsibilities outside their home and inside their home. So I request everyone out here to give a chance to her, not to burden her with both the activities, both the things, but now you should think how you can divert that responsibilities, share that responsibilities with each other and take each other forward. So I'll be sharing more content with you, more experiences, more ideas with you on this. So keep listening. Thank you.